Next, we will study computer networks. Imagine if each computer operated independently and couldn't share data. Every person would have to store information on their own machine, and to share it, they'd have to copy it to a USB drive and deliver it manually. Clearly, that would be very inconvenient. This is why the concept of a computer network was created, to connect computers and devices together, enabling fast and convenient data exchange. A computer network connects computers through physical transmission media, copper cables, optical fiber, wireless signals, networking devices, routers, switches, modems, Wi-Fi access points. Communication protocol, a set of rules that allows devices to speak the same language and understand each other. In simple terms, a computer network is like a traffic system. Computers are the traffic participants. Transmission media are the roads. Communication protocols are the traffic rules ensuring everyone moves correctly. Let's explore the first element of a computer network, physical transmission media. Physical transmission media is the material medium used to transmit signals between computers and network devices. You can imagine it like a road system. Computers and devices are the traffic participants. Data signals are the vehicles. The physical transmission media is the road on which the vehicles travel. There are two types of physical transmission media, wired and wireless. Wired transmission means using physical cables for connections, copper cables, Ethernet the most common type in LAN networks, fiber optic cables, transmit data using light, very high speed, often used for backbone internet connections. Advantages: stable, low interference, high speed. Disadvantages: less flexible, depends on cable installation. Wireless transmission sends data through electromagnetic waves without cables. Examples: Wi-Fi in schools, Bluetooth connecting headphones, 4G or 5G on mobile phones. Advantages: flexible, convenient, easy to move devices. Disadvantages: prone to interference, speed and stability are usually lower than wired connections. Let's explore the second component of a computer network, network devices. We've just learned about the physical transmission medium, the road for data signals. But here's a question: if there are only roads with no intersections, can devices communicate? The answer is no. To allow computers and devices to communicate, we need bridges or network devices, wired network devices, typically used in LANs, offices, and schools. Examples: switch, hub, router. These devices ensure stable signal transmission over network cables. Example: when you plug an RJ45 cable into your computer and the internet works smoothly, it's thanks to wired network devices. Wireless network devices allow devices to communicate over radio waves without cables. Examples: access point, Wi-Fi AP, Wi-Fi router. They create a wireless environment for smartphones, laptops, and tablets to access the internet flexibly. Example: when you connect your smartphone to classroom Wi-Fi, it's thanks to wireless network devices. Let's explore the final component of a computer network, communication rules. Communication rules, or network protocols, are standards and conventions that enable computers and network devices to understand each other and exchange data accurately. You can imagine, if everyone spoke a different language, communication would be impossible. Network protocols act as a common language so devices can understand and talk to each other. Common communication rules include TCP/IP, transmission. Control Protocol/Internet Protocol, the foundational protocol suite of the Internet. It breaks data into packets, sends them, and reassembles them at the destination. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, used for transferring web data, allowing you to access websites. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, used to send emails from one machine to another. When you send an email via Gmail or Outlook, SMTP is working behind the scenes. Think back to this morning before coming to class. Maybe you checked Facebook, Gmail, or Google for study materials. All of these activities have one thing in common: you were using the Internet. So, what is the Internet, and what basic services does it provide? The Internet is a global network, connecting billions of devices worldwide. That IT uses the TCP/IP protocol suite as a common language. Thanks to the Internet, a computer in Vietnam can communicate with a server in the US. Or you can chat with friends in Europe in an instant. Simply put, the internet is like a global information highway, where all computers and devices can connect and share data.